Everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know what is Fidelity General Investment Account. A Fidelity General Investment Account, or GIA, is a savings account where you could hold various investments, but unlike a stocks and shares, ISA is not a tax-free. This means the return you earn from your investment will be subjected to capital gain tax and dividend tax as well. A GIA allows you to invest your money in a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, and funds. And unlike ISA, GIA investments aren't tax advantage, meaning you'll have to pay tax on any profit you make from your investment. So likewise, you also have to consider some of the risks. That is, as with any investment, the value of your GIA investment can fluctuate and you could lose money. You could also be aware of the tax implications of your index, such as capital gain tax and dividend tax as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.